In this video, you will learn how to create animal-shaped mazes.
Hey there creators, my name is Sir Orlando. I welcome you to the Creators World channel where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. Creating maze puzzles has never been easier. Today I'm going to show you how you can create amazing animal-shaped maze puzzles from start to finish. With this skill, you can create amazing activity puzzle books which you can sell on places like Amazon and Etsy. Again, you can set up a gig on Fiverr where you create these puzzles for people and make some money. You can also create these puzzles for family and friends entertainment. Are you ready? Let's go!
Create a new document of 8.625 by 11.25 inches with 300 dpi as resolution. With the Bezier tool, create a vertical line and change the height to 12 inches. Go to Windows, Dockers, and open the Transform Docker. Set the position to the right, the x-axis to 0.5 inches, copies 24, and apply. Select all, copy and paste, and set the angle of rotation to 90 degrees clockwise. Select all again and combine. This gives us a square grid. With the ellipse tool, draw a circle and set the size to 0.08 inches. Fill it with black, and with your pointer at the very center of the circle, move it till it snaps to the top left corner of the grid. Hold down Ctrl and drag the circle from the center till it snaps to the next node. Before you release your mouse, right-click to make a copy. Repeat this with Ctrl-R till you get to the end of the grid. Select all the circles and once again hold down Ctrl, drag to the bottom till it snaps to the next grid, and remember, right-click before releasing your mouse and repeat with Ctrl-R till we get to the bottom of the grid. This is the fastest way to make a copy. Now select all and combine. Fill it with black and open the property window where we change the unit of measurement to millimeters and set the outline thickness to 1.5 millimeters. The line corners to rounded and the line caps also to rounded. Make a copy of the grid and change the rotation to 45 degrees. Now open our silhouettes and trace them using trace bitmap and line art option. So we convert them to vectors. Delete the original bitmap. Or we can set or check the delete original in these settings so that the original is deleted after the tracing. So as you can see with this one, we don't have the original anymore. Now let's copy our traced images onto their own pages and enlarge them to fit well. We press P to center on a page and then enlarge. Click and drag to enlarge. Let's take away the fill and give it an outline. Let's copy our vertical grid and paste on our first image. Send it to back of page and select the two images on the page and go for intersect. Delete the grid and take out the fill of the image and give it an outline. We should have something like this on your screen now. This is the foundation of our maze. Let's set the outline of our image to 2 millimeters so that it will be thick enough to differentiate. Now let's copy our diagonal grid and paste on our second image. We shall go through the same process as we did for the first. So now, for the sake of this lesson, we shall be using our first image. Go for your Bezier tool and start creating a path to the solution for your maze. This is up to your creativity and how difficult or how easy you want your maze to be. You can copy mine, but make sure you have an entry and an exit point. Great. Now that my solution path is ready, I'm changing it to red so that it will be visible. And then I'm going to lock it to the page. Choose the virtual segment delete tool to help us clear the path to our solution. So follow as you see on the screen. Clear the path to the solution. In case you make a mistake, don't worry, just undo and redo the correct one. So long as my red line is locked to the page, the tool cannot clear it, it cannot delete it. Great, our path is cleared now. What is left is for us to create the block roads or what we call the deceptive roads to our maze. This is also entirely up to you. Try and be more creative with this. For the sake of time, I would like to speed up this part. Great. Now unlock the path to the solution and select all and give it a black outline. Copy and paste so that we have one as our solution and one as our problem maze. So we delete the solution path in one of them, and now we can group them as one object. For better contrast in our solution, let's give our solution a light gray color whilst we leave the path as black. Awesome! Congratulations! You just created your first maze puzzle. Go ahead and create a lot more of these. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.